Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, here in this given problem, this is a ramp to the truck making an angle of 20.0 degree with the horizontal, and this is the symbolic representation for the trunk being pulled over this ramp under the influence of a force F. This force is making an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. So the force may be resolved into two components, Fx along the ramp and Fy perpendicular to the ramp. In the first part of the problem, this force along the ramp, this is given to be equal to 90.0 Newton. With the help of this component of the force, we have to find net force applied, for which we will use an expression for this component Fx, which is given as F cos 30 degree. It means F cos 30 degree is 90. So the force will be given by 90.0 Newton divided by cos 30 degree, and it is calculated to be equal to 103.92 Newton, or rounding it off we get 104 Newton, which is the answer for the first part of this given problem here. Then in the second part of the problem, we have to find component of the force perpendicular to the ramp, means Fy, and that will be given as F sin 30 degree. Means this is 104 multiplied by half Newton. So it is calculated to be equal to Fy is equal to 52 Newton approximately. And that is the second answer for this given problem here. Thank you.